Watch out YouTube, Instagram is firmly in the video sharing game, and I have to say I'm really excited about IGTV. Hello and welcome back to IO, I'm your host for the day, Rebecca Felgate. Charlotte has been let loose in the city, but I am here and I have some cool news for you. Before we jump into this video, I just want to ask you guys if you prefer YouTube or Instagram. I for one absolutely love Instagram. I know I'm on YouTube, but Instagram is my jam. If you guys want to connect with me on Instagram, I am Miss Rebecca J, and my link should be in the description box. Also, while you're down there, why don't you leave a thumbs up on this video? Thank you. Okay, so earlier this week, Instagram celebrated reaching 1 billion users by unleashing a new feature. Now this gained Mark Zuckerberg an extra $1.7 billion in market value. IGTV will allow all users to upload videos, but wait for it, they're going to be vertical. Vertical videos, so no more side phone. If you pop open your phone right now, you'll see the new feature at the top right, and if you click on it, you'll see videos from people that you follow. There is also a standalone app ready for iOS and Android where videos will start playing automatically. And once again, I repeat, they are vertical. The app is set to be pretty awesome too. On Instagram, videos are just a minute long, but on IGTV, videos can be up to an hour long, so you can be watching all kinds of content. While at the moment there isn't paid content on the app or any advertising, this is where things get long-term interesting. Instagram does plan to monetize the platform in the future. Chief Executive Officer Kevin Systrom said, Instagram wants to make it possible for anyone to become famous from Instagram TV, not just people who already have large audiences. So I guess that means you watching, you could start uploading today and you could be the next star of tomorrow. In a blog post, Instagram said younger audiences are spending more time with amateur content creators and less time with professionals. Video makers will then choose if they also want to share their content on Facebook. Now Facebook brought Instagram in 2012 for $715 million. So far things seem to have been going swimmingly, and when IGTV news was announced on Wednesday, the Facebook stock rose by 2.3% in regular trading. The move comes as Facebook are attempting to get a slice of the video market to compete with Google's YouTube. Do you know what? I'm also really kind of ready for a new platform. A lot of us have been talking about how YouTube has been changing and not necessarily for the best for the creators, so I'm feeling really positive about IGTV. I also feel really great about the concept of vertical videos. It's a bit different. Would you guys want to watch a video in vertical, or do you prefer horizontal? Let me know. Also, have you tried out IGTV yet? I'm feeling like I might want to make like a little day in the life video for you guys soon, or we could do something on the InformOverload Instagram. What do you want to see? Let us know. Okay, before I go, I'm just going to read some comments from one of Charlotte's most recent videos. She's been making awesome videos for you, but this one caught my eye. I'm going with the woman who drinks dog pee to stay beautiful. Sacrifices. Your Everyday Pepper said, oh my god, that's Whitney, Wisconsin or whatever. She's the girl that makes love to dogs. Look her up. Oh my god, she's just changed her name. I actually did Google her and I think it is her, and I am freaked out. What is this woman's obsession with dogs? Like seriously. Free Ski said, I'm seriously about to throw up. The background isn't helping much. But you didn't like the pee background? I thought it was funny. Ryuga Sama said, I don't even know what to say about this, and to be honest, that's pretty much how I feel. So guys, that is all we have for this video. I'm really weirded out by Charlotte's last video. I'm just gonna be thinking about that for a while. Honestly, just stay away from dogs, lady. Do let me know what you thought of today's news as well. Let me know if you've downloaded IGTV. Let me know if you're uploading anything to it. Let me know how you feel about vertical videos. I want to hear from you. Also, once again, you can connect with me on Instagram by looking at my link in the description box down below. Please do leave a thumbs up on this video, share it with a friend, and stay subscribed for more daily news. See you soon!